Hi, this is Shay with Trucks of Sales, here today looking at this 2012 Kenworth T800 with the dual chrome breathers, dual chrome exhaust that we did an extended cab kit on. As you can see there, got about an extra 6-8 inches of room to put your chair back. Got the nice big 425 front tires on the front. Hendrickson steerable lift axle, 13.2 capacity with the 24.5 rubber on the back. This one has a high lift tailgate, electric tarp, has the hitch on there as well with the glad hands up on the side, adjustable pintle hitch up or down 2 inches. And on this particular box, this is a 17.5 foot ridge lane dump body. Even though this looks similar to other beds that other people make, there's still a couple little features here. For one, this has the hardened floor on it, so you can see there's no cross members on the bottom. A lot of these beds with the ridges on the side, people put cross members there on the bottom of the bed, so in the future it won't get all that waviness on the bottom. It also has the hardened steel, the Hardox 450 steel floor. So this bed can haul some concrete chunks. This is Shay with Trucks of Sales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website and give us a call for more information. Thank you.